So welcome back to the new lecture, friends. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the how to create the menus and custom links, custom URLs like that. So go to the appearance, go to the menus. Okay. So see here, there are some pages we have here, right? So these are the pages created. So submenu means under the home about us, no submenu is there. But for the services page and industry page, pricing page, we have a submenu, right? They are changing. That means under the submenu service category, these are the subcategory pages. So we can say we can call it as the submenu categories. So how these can be created? So see here, very simple, friends. So come up here and then go to the add pages. All these are the pages we have already previously. We have these pages, right? So if I would like to create one more page and I would like to add to the menu, I know how to add that one. All these are the pages we have created. So let me show you one thing more. See here, the page which I am going to create is, it should not be existed here. Okay, add a new page, go to the pages, add a new page. The page title I am taking as and I go to publish and I will make it as a publish. So now what I will do, I go here and again under the pages, have you seen a new page has been come up here? But here no elemental option is because we are not using the elemental, we are not editing anything on this page. Now I will go to the appearance and again to the menus. Then the SEO tips page can be added up here. Okay. Now I will make this one. Okay, and I will add to the menu. Which menu? This menu. Whenever I click up here, automatically this page will come up here. And one thing, friends, here see here, this is the order: home, about, services, courses, industry, pricing. Like these are the order. All these pages are under this order, right? So if I would like to make the changes, services should look to come up here, or about us should go to the here, our home page should be created, or contact before the blog. Like this, in order to make the changes in this format, I would like to see these pages as I would like to show my pricing or the industry page on the home page. How can I select like that? How can I modify that like that? So this is the option here, friends. Now here we have already services page SEO tips as well. So if I want to make the services page to look up to on the front page, I can just drag and drop here very simply. Okay, and see here, and like that you make this one and you publish this one, and you will see a new page has been added, SEO tips, which is now published on the front page, right? Like that only we have added. So, but I would like to, like this, we can add. Now, I'm saying keeping the same thing here. And then I would like to make these SEO tips should come under the blog category. So, how? So, this is the SEO tips like this page. See, for example, save menu. So, what happens here? So, go to the digital marketing. So, you just refresh this page. So, here SEO tips will come. But if I would like to make this as a submenu of this blog category, then what I will do, I will simply go to the editor session. Okay, just go back, and then okay, WP admin, go to the WP admin, and then see here, I go to the appearance and then go to the menus, and then I keep these, just drag this page to the right side. Okay, another box will start showing to you. Right, this is one block. This is what another page, right? So under this submenu, it will come up and you make like this. And you can also make some of the pages here. Some of the pages, landing page. Okay. So you can also create a number of pages and you can make all those pages to come up under the blog page like that. Okay. Now I'm saving and you see now how does the home page will look. Have you seen? Now this SEO tips page has come up here. These SEO tips. And here you can also go to change the SEO tips, this background color, black color, and here hover color, this text color, etc. etc. Everything you can change it. Okay. So this is the way, friends. we would like to create the menus, submenus, and the next one is what? How to create the custom links. Now go to the once again dashboard. So come up here. So here you will find here under the post category, you will be having one more custom links. Custom links means I am creating a URL of what a custom link text as uh, SEO tips. For example, I created SEO tips, but no, there is no content here, and I would like to uh, redirect it to this page to someone other pages. So I can give the URL of SEO tips. For example, see here, best SEO tips, best SEO tips. So one more website is there. Okay. So see friends here, all these are the 12 most effective SEO tips like that. One article has been written up here, right? So what I will do here, I will simply select this URL. I copy this URL and then I come up here and under this URL, I will paste this URL here, okay? And I can see here the setup. This page has been come up here and 12 SEO tips, or that is the SEO tips. That is the text here. Now I will what I will do? I will add to the menu, and now these 12 SEO tips has been added here. I will move this step to the I can make the another submenu of the submenu. Okay, I can also make this one like this, like this also. Or if I don't want to keep, if you would like to keep this one like this only, I can also make this one also like this. And next one, if I would like to remove this one, I can remove, come up here and just remove this one. Okay, and simply that will go away, and then you can save this menu. So is coming. Okay. Now here friends, I save it here. Now you go to the page and you just refresh the page once again. Under this block category, you will be having 12 SEO tips like that. If you click here, you will be redirected to this URL page, right? From where the content we have created, taken the URL. So like this is called as a custom, URL making. This is called as a custom URL making. Like that, we can redirect any page, okay, and we can redirect to the any other website. Or in order to, if we have created n number of post category, and we would like to redirect to that category of the page, and we can redirect that category of the page. How? See, for example, this is blog, the project page. This is the project page. See, this is the URL of our website's project page, right? We can simply copy this page and we can go to the URL page appearance. Under this appearance menu, we can create any one page under this block category. What if we have a page of for example, under this digital marketing category, if I would like to add something, then if you see what are the 10 best category tips master digital marketing, under this digital marketing category, I would like to add. Then learn WordPress, plan, meet, this one. Top option start to learn WordPress. So all these things, if you would like to add these things to the digital marketing category, then I can select the category and I can add to the menu. Add to menu. So this is all these are the things added to the digital marketing, right? So what I will do, I will make the category under this category like this, digital marketing. So it seems to be extra, right? So I can go here, can remove this one. Learn WordPress, top 10 strategies. All these are the things which are coming under the digital marketing category. Okay. I hope you got the clarity now. How to create the menu, sub menu, like that. Now what you will see the digital marketing as one of the category also here, page as well. Have you seen here? And under that one, 3 more things have been added here. So this is the way how to create the pages, sub menus, okay, and the menus, etc. And how to create the custom links. So this is the way we can create the menus, pages, sub menus, custom links. Okay. I hope you got the clarity. In the next class, we will learn about the some more features. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.